Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Can you please tell me your name?
My name is ANGLHAMU JIREL.
How old are you?
I am 39 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am married.
Do you have any children?
One children son.
Okay, what is your religion?
I am Buddhist.
Do you have any habits like smoking, drinking?
No.
And what work experience do you have?
I am experienced hotel lama 2 years. Dishwasher.
Okay, now why you want to come Romania?
Come Romania to supporting family on money.
Okay, for how long do you want to stay?
3 years, 4 years.
Do you know anybody in Romania?
No.
Okay, thank you very much for your
Thank
time.
you.